Today, I am going to share with you a concept called body voting. What is body voting? Body voting is a unique learning technique that we can use in our classroom sessions to make it very engaging, to make the people physically move and get involved in the content that we share. There are two types of body voting. In hand voting, the students can respond to the answer to the question asked by the educator by raising their hands. In stand voting, raising the hand is replaced by standing. In both cases, the educators can scan through the students and take a general count about the responses given by the students. Through this, educators will get an instant response of how well the students are taken along with them through the subject that they are discussing. What are the different benefits of body voting? The first and foremost benefit of body voting is to check the understanding of the student. It is very hard to know whether we are able to take the students along with us through the class. Asking questions directly to them may make some students uncomfortable. By using body voting, you will get an overall idea of how well you have put across the idea into the minds of the students and can adjust the pace of your session accordingly based on the understanding of the students. Now, while running question and answer sessions, making it engaging is really tough. But with the help of polling tools like Swift Poll, teachers can ask open-ended questions, get direct instant feedback from the students, and make the question and answer sessions very interactive and engaging. Therefore, body voting is a unique tool in the kitty of a teacher that can be used to make the sessions very much interesting and engaging. That is about body voting.